Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Another devastating earthquake has stricken Turkey in Syria again. Inna lillah wa inna ilayhi raji'un. In fact, the Muslims and the world as a whole is very much worried for what is going on in Turkey and Syria. In fact, today we had some few footage of how the earthquake happened in that area. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. La ilaha illallah. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Subhanallah. 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 May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for the people of Turkey and Syria. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on them and for all of us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ease their suffering. May we not see this incident again. Per the records, there is no accurate number of deaths that has occurred, but quite a number of deaths has been reported, and a huge number of people has been injured again in this incident. In fact, we are urging all Muslims and all the people around the globe to help the people of Turkey and Syria in prayers. Muslims, let's help them in prayers. Let's remember them in our tahajjud. Let's remember them in our prayers. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect and safeguard all of us from these kind of calamities. Ameen.